Fidiamondintherough, and I have friend mail. How cool. Oh, I'm a bit excited. Been tracking this one for a little while. It's come from the US. So, here we go. Okay. We'll just go a nice, simple, straightforward cut through the top. I hope I've just not gotten anything then. So, who is this friend that sent me a mail? This is from Dearly Crafted. Okay, I'm just too excited about getting into this box. It's not funny. Okie dokie. So, woo. Friend mail. Let's see what's inside. Dearly, I am so excited about this. Okay, here we go. I have a card. Oh, let's see. Oh, don't tell me this is a handmade card. Oh, open it gently. Open it gently. Oh, it is. Oh, wow. Oh, look at how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. Okay. Ooh. Tears. I'm just going to open this up. Okay. I'm tearing too much to actually read it properly. Oh, but it's a handmade card. How beautiful is that? Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, handmade card. That is so special. So special. Okay, now I've got paper. And what's in here? Let's see what's in here. Coordinated. Okay, I'll move that. Box is empty. He managed to coordinate with the card. How gorgeous. Okay. Here we go. What's inside here? Diamonds. Put diamonds all over. Okay. Cool. Diamond paper. Sorry, everything's staying on top so you can see it. Okay, what's in the box? Okay, there's tears. Oh, dearly. I opened that up just a little bit. Just a little bit, and oh, wow. Ah, there's tears, dearly. Oh, wow. Okay. I don't know whether you can see that. Hang on. Camera's not going to zoom on it. Bear with me because you guys have to see this properly. Oh wow, I'm glad this is not my face. There is tears. Okay, let's see if we can get it to autofocus now. How gorgeous is that? Okay. Oh. Dearly, you gave me cry. Oh yeah. Hope you're proud of yourself with that. Okay, let's see. How do I get this out of here? See if my nails can manage to get one side open. So I don't want to cut that. So eager to get into it, but I don't want to cut it. I'm going to have to. Oh, how do I get that off? Okay. Do you want to cut it? Oh, okay. Let's see if we can get it to focus. What have I got I can put it on? Oh, good old drill tray. Let's see if it'll focus it. Oh no. There we go. How cute is that? Okay. That's to go onto the Pandora. Oh, that's gorgeous. Thank you, dearly. Oh, wow. Absolutely wonderful. Wonderful. And what can I say? I can't say anything except wow. That is beautiful. There's tears, dearly. There is tears. Oh, did you just read that? I don't know if you read that. I've got tears, so yeah. But yeah. Oh, there we go. I got it to focus. How beautiful. That, I believe, is that a leopard? Oh, wow. Okay. Keep an eye out for that. That'll be going on to the Pandoras. Thank you, dearly. Oh, okay. I'm flabbergasted. I've got nothing to say for a change. It's just, oh wow. Wow. Dearly, thank you very much. Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Guys, I'll put Dearly's link, her page down below, her YouTube channel below. I'd be surprised if you haven't heard of her yet, because she stalks everybody. And she's probably microchipped this so that she can keep track of me anyway. Excuse me. But yeah, guys, check out Dearly's channel. Thank you very much, Dearly, and for everybody, give it a big thumbs up for such a cutie. Let's see if it's going to focus. How cool. But yeah, guys, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. What do you think? Oh, that's such a special gift. Such a special gift. So guys, yet again, Dearly, thank you. Oh, from the bottom of my heart, your friendship means a lot. So, thank you very much. And bye for now.